Hi everybody, my name is Jo and I've been sent this Hoover fridge freezer from the lovely AO. The model is hvbn6182wwdk. When this turned up I was so excited, I couldn't believe how lovely it is. It just looks absolutely amazing. I really love the big door handle. It feels really strong. You've also got a water dispenser. In the fridge, it's absolutely lovely. It's really deep. You can put quite a lot of food in, up to 16 bags of food. Up here you also have the temperature, so you can control what temperature, so you can have it on super freeze, which will freeze your food quicker and keep the nutrients into your food so it's more fresh for longer. They've also got holiday, so it keeps it running at a lower temperature, so it doesn't cost a lot to run. It's very quiet considering the size of it. The only thing that was a bit odd for such a big fridge freezer for a family, I've got a family of 5, I feel like this bit's a waste of time. They should have probably put the water up a bit higher, because it's very difficult to get 6 pints of milk in there, and you can see that it dents the milk. My lot go through so much milk. But in general, I think it looks very stylish. There's lots of room. And then you have the freezer, which you get 4 drawers, which are also really deep. It's not frost free. Sorry, it is frost free. So I love it. It's really cool. And it's also got this ultraviolet light, so it's super saver, so it's not costing too much to run. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.